What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here, back with another video, and today we are going to be unboxing and weighing the Rainer version 3 dropper post from PNW along with the Lone Lever 2. So let's get into it. So let's open these up. Again, this is the Rainer version 3. Here it is. Nice dropper post. And then I'm pairing that with the Lone Lever 2. Small little lever, goes right on standard handlebars. But the one thing I did not know is these didn't come with cables. So I'm gonna have to buy those now. On their website, you have to buy them in a combo to get the cables, but I ordered off of Backcountry, so I don't think they had that option. So I'll just get the replacement cable kits and they should be good to go. But let's weigh them. So for the lever, comes in at 50 grams flat, and the dropper post, stay, is about 545 grams. So not too bad. I'll take it for how much it costs. Then again, you're gonna have to add the cables in there. Shouldn't be too much more. But yeah, that's gonna conclude today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.